Okay. Rohit. Okay. Total four students are right, present. Okay. We move on now then. In measurement, the main term is physical quantity. Only physical quantities can be measured. In last class, we have already discussed what is physical quantity. Physical quantity, that is, the quantity which can be measured. Can be measured. Those quantities are physical quantities. And example are length, area, volume, time. These all are physical quantities because they can be measured. Look at, they can be measured. Therefore, these are physical quantities. And non-physical quantities which cannot be measured. Feelings, kindness, innocence, these are non-physical quantities because cannot, we cannot measure because we cannot be we cannot measure feelings. How much feelings do we feel? How much kindness is of man? How much sense is a old people like this? We cannot say in numerical term in uh, number value. Therefore, these are the terms which are written here in red lines. These red lines, these are non-physical quantities. These are non-physical quantities. That means these are length, area, volume, time. These are physical quantities, and these feelings, kindness, innocence, these are non-physical quantities. They are not physical quantities. And look here, your son is also present. Okay. Okay. Here, local system of measurement. We have already discussed. Local means non-standard measurement system. Those are used in locally in our daily life, in our neighborhood. And if you don't hear my sound, then you inform me, okay? Yusan, all of you make your video on, okay? In my laptop, camera is not working, therefore my video is off. There is one logo only. All of you make your video on, okay? If you don't hear me, you notice me, you message me. You can message me in Messenger also, okay? Okay. Then local measurement system means the system which is used in locally. The system which is used in local area. Those are local measurement system. And look here, measurement. Measurement is to find the accurate quantity of this is repeated lines. Okay, repeated lines. Measurement is the uh, process to find accurate quantity of any object. And here is given. And in our local, in our place, in our neighborhood, in Yes. Far areas, far from the city. In those areas, that may be in hilly area or that may be in Tarai region. In these areas, local measurement systems are uh, very much highly utilized. For example, length is measured in cubit palm. Cubit palm means our bitta. In Nepali, we say bitta. Angul, angul. These are local measurement system. Another way, and these are not accurate because and uh, the size of the size of the people is variable because their body size also are different. Some have small body size. Due to small body size, finger length will be small.
यस्तै हुन्छ क्या जहिले पावर अफ स्विच अफ भयो
I am listening you.
बट
Hello, you son, what happened?
Sir,
Okay, keep on charging your mobile. Yusan Giri. In Nepal, units such as mile, gauge, foot, these were used to measure length. By listening, gauge, mile, foot. Foot means not that scale foot. It is our body foot. Okay, body foot. Kutta. These are not standard units because these are valid only within our country. Only within our country, these systems are valid. These are not valid internationally. And to measure length, and these are, look here, pau, share, tarni, these are pau, share, tarni. These are used to measure mass. To measure mass, pau, share, tarni is used. These share, tarni, these are used to measure mass. And muri, mana, mana, pathi, muri, these are used to measure quantity of grain. How much? That means quantity means volume. There is written quantity, actually quantity means volume. Okay, how much is its volume? These all are local measurement system. These all are local measurement system. So that in in order to fulfill the lacking, in order to fulfill this lacking, look here, in order to fulfill this lacking, that means this is not uniform system. There was no uniformity of such measurement system. In these systems, local measurement system, there is not uniformity. That means different place, different quantity. Therefore, no uniformity. And therefore, to fulfill this lacking, to solve this type of problem, internationally recognized unit system is developed, which is accepted all over the country, all over the world, which is accepted all over the world. Therefore, the next system was developed and which is being used nowadays, that is SI unit. Okay. Then we move on now forward. Then what is standard unit and what is standard quantity? Different people have different size of the fingers, different height. Therefore, is not valid. Therefore, we have a special measurement system. Standard system is developed and internationally valid quantity. That means internationally valid quantity is designed to measure to share the measurement system worldwide, and that standard quantity is kept in France. In France, Paris, those valid standard quantities, standard physical terms, physical objects are kept safely at International Bureau of Measurement. International Measure System, International Bureau of Measurement System. That is the name of office. That is worldwide branched office, and that is its head office is at uh, France, Paris, and those standard objects are kept in database, and that object is called standard, and that is compared to other quantities and made weights to measure weight, to measure mass. Weights are denied. Weight, that means dog, a dog, and to measure length, to measure weight, to measure length, 1 meter long rod is used. Now let us move on. Then internationally, internationally valid fixed quantity. Internationally valid fixed quantity, which is used, which is used to find the measurement of unknown physical quantity. That means unknown means the physical quantity is known, but its value, how much is it, that is unknown, an unknown physical quantity, and that process is standard. That is called standard quantity. The internationally valid fixed quantity, that is fixed quantity, that is internationally valid, that is kept in France, that is fixed quantity, valid quantity. And to that quantity, others quantities are compared to find the value. And those quantities are standard quantities. Now that means what is measurement? By this discussion, we know we know that what is measurement. That is, we compare unknown standard quantity with unknown physical quantities with known standard quantity to find the exact value. And that process is called measurement. Look here, measurement is the measurement comparison unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. Then this process, the measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with known standard quantity. Why? To compare, to find the value of unknown quantity. That is measurement. Look here. And in standard quantity, when we say the value of something, when we say the value of something, there will be numerical value. There will be numerical value and another unit. For example, if we say the physical quantity is force, and if we say 250 only, and if we don't say Newton, then that is not standard. That is not uh, satisfied because we have to say numerical value also and unit also. In measurement, always there will be two parts. One is numerical part, another is unit part. If your height is measured, then let us consider if your height is 5 feet, then 5 is numerical value 5 and feet is unit. If you say the mass of sugar, if you say 2 kg of sugar, then 2 is numerical value and kg is unit. In this way, in measurement, there will be two parts, numerical value and another unit part. Then length. Among many physical terms, first comes length, according to your syllabus, according to your content, course of content, length. Uh, for example, if you have to go from this place, if you have to go from this place, from this A, this is A point, and here is B point. Then there may be many paths. For example, you may go, if you go from here, this path, one path is this. Another path may be in this way. If you go in this way, and another may be from here. You go backside, move around, and or lastly, I want to add one example. Lastly, if you go through, uh, if you go through this path, if you go to this path, then which is the shortest path to go from A to B? Can anybody say or not? Which may be the shortest? Which color road is the shortest road to go from A to B? Hello, Smriti. Rohit, hello, hello,
Hello.
Smriti. Among these paths, which is the shortest? You can see different color path, different colors road from A to B. Which is the shortest? Nobody can give answer. Which is the shortest distance from A to B?
Blue.
Blue. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who is
ब्लू कलर को सर
Then you are in class or not? Okay. Then the shortest distance between 2 points. A point is here and B point is here. The shortest distance between 2 points. That is distance, length. Then look here. The distance between 2 points is called length. And height of a person means the distance between the top of head to his feet. Our height means the distance between top of the head up to our feet. That is our height. And look here, length, breadth. What happened?
हजुरको आवाज अड्किरहेको छ
Oh, के भयो त यहाँ?
हजुर
ओके एकछिन कोसिस गरौँ है त हुन्छ कि बुझ्न त बुझेको छ
बुझिरहेको छु सर अझ आइरहेछ
ल ठिक छ चल्छ होला ओके length, breadth, height, thickness, depth, diameter. From wise, this looks different. Length is one thing, breadth is another thing, height is another thing, thickness is another thing, depth is another thing, diameter is another thing. By the word, these looks like different. But actually, in measurement system, these all are termed as length, only length. Because length, which is longer, that is length. Its measurement system is also, its measurement unit is meter. Breadth is shorter, its unit is also meter. Height is also stands, it's also meter. Thickness also meter or smaller, you can say centimeter. Depth, how deep is the pond, that is also distance between 2 points from the top level of the water up to the bottom of the pond. That distance, that is depth, that is also measured in meter, feet, etc. Diameter, diameter means there is a rope, sorry, there is one there is one where is that? Okay, there is line, sorry, there is one wire. We find the diameter of that wire, and That is also measured in same measurement system. For big diameter, we can measure meter. For earth, kilometer. For wire, micrometer. These are measured. All these are termed as only one word, that is length. That is length. Only we can say length. Okay.
Length.
Breadth, height, thickness, depth, diameter. These all are measured whether that is whether we measure in meter or centimeter or uh, feet or uh, micrometer, or kilometer. Anyway, these all are termed as only length. Only length, okay. Not different. Term wise they are different, but in system of unit, those all are considered as only one term, that is length. And look here, different tools for the measurement. Local measurement system, this and palm. This is local measurement system. This is local measurement system. This is also local measurement system, and this is also local measurement system. That means in in left side, from this line to this side, local measurement system, and to this side, standard measurement system. To the right side, standard measurement system, SI system, and to the left side, these all are local measurement system. In this way, look here, and here are some tools. This is scale, measuring scale. I look here, this is measuring scale. You can say foot sometimes. This is measuring tape. This instrument, its name is micrometer. Its name is micrometer, and its name is vernier calipers. Micrometer. Its name is micrometer. Its name is micrometer, and its name is vernier calipers. Its name is vernier. VER. Vernier calipers. This is micrometer. It is used to measure the diameter of wire. Wire is trapped. Here is one small space. Here is one small gap. Through this gap, one wire is inserted. Wire is inserted. For example, if one wire is inserted from here and wire is inserted and this part is tightened. This part. Here is one screw type. It is tightened. When it is slipped, after becoming tight, it becomes slip. Then there will be a reading technique we'll study in higher classes, and by observing the readings here. Here is a cyclic scale, and the diameter of the wire is measured. And this Vernier calipers is used to measure the diameter of a ring. To measure the diameter of the ring, this is used. For example, it is put inside one ring. It is put inside one ring. Okay, in this way, it is put inside one ring. Then here is slider. This slides and makes the measurement, and this instrument is to find the internal diameter or external diameter of the ring. If we have to find external diameter, we trap one ring inside this gap inside, and by the measurement of this, we measure the external diameter of ring. In this way, I think your next class is from 2 o'clock. 4 minutes left, and you have to prepare for next also. Who is writing? Don't try to write, okay? Then, okay, let's clear this. Then